Question. Question.
I believe we have a
I
question.
have a question. Charlie Kirby on videotape. Seriously. Very nice. All right. Simmer down. Simmer down. I can't even see. You guys, you Baha'is are so celebrity starved. I mean, I'm the best you can do. Give me a break. The weird guy with the big head who plays the dweeb on a TV show. It's really pathetic. How's it going, everybody? How are you doing? How's this NEBY Fest going? It's good? Right. Excellent. Nice to see you all. I don't know what I'm doing here. No, I'm gonna come back tonight, and I'm gonna be giving a little talk, a little presentation about love, among other things, at 9 o'clock tonight, and that's gonna be a rockin' good time. And it's really great to be here. What's happening? Where are y'all from? Where are you from? What? Come on. Montreal? Got a lot of Montreal in the house. Canadians. I didn't know they allowed Canadians down here. Didn't know they allowed the Baha'i faith in Canada. Ooh. Cool. Anyone here Baha'is from Scranton? Do I hear some Scranton? No, you're not from Scranton. You just want to get in on the action. Do you guys know Charlie Kirby? He's an old friend of mine. How you doing, Charlie? Nice seeing you, man. You turned into a hippie now since you became a Baha'i. Look at you. Pathetic. I'm gonna introduce. Do we have? We got some people? Yeah, right. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce some people. Any questions at this point? Yeah. Dwight loves you, my friend. Any other questions here? Well, you got me. You got. Which bear? Black bear. Beware the black bear. My question is, where my Baha'i peeps at, yo? Oh, question answered. So, okay, so nice seeing you all. I just wanted to say hello real quick, and I don't really have anything else to say. I'm gonna introduce a group of performers who took their name, who named themselves after me. This is an a cappella group from the tundras of northern Canada, and they call themselves Montreal Rainn, R-A-I-N-N. The sickest I've ever been was in Montreal. I went there and it was like -80 and I got a flu. It was awful. I stayed in a youth hostel and just spent my time throwing up. And their music reminds me of that experience. And so I'm gonna welcome them up to stage now, a Canadian a cappella group. Please welcome Alanis Morissette and Montreal Rainn, R-A-I-N-N. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you later tonight.
That wasn't quite the introduction we were expecting. I just want to let him know that actually last year I got really sick and I had the flu and I watched The Office, so actually The Office reminds me of that experience also. It's so weird that we have that in common. It was just so crazy. Hey everybody, sorry about that. So we're Montreal Rainn, and we're a young women's choir and performing arts collective from Montreal. And they say to write what you know, so our first song is called Montreal Rainn. And it'll end with a quote, a song which is a quote from Abdul Baha, who is the son of Baha'u'llah, the prophet founder of the Baha'i faith. Thank you.
lasts. Love lights a flame in a heart that is cold. Love brings hope to the hopeless and gladdens the hearts. Love brings hope to the sorrowful. Love gives life to the lifeless. Love lights a flame in a heart that is cold. Love brings hope to the hopeless and gladdens the hearts. Love brings hope to the sorrowful. Love gives life to the lifeless.
What's up, guys? Yeah! So, thank you so much to Montreal Rainn, and I'm gonna play a song here, just one song right now, and it's yeah, okay. All right. In front of me, here come the dead. There are more ways to see than just through these holes in my head. Still I know that hope is fading fast, and love doesn't look like it's gonna last. I can't make clear all of what you said, but there are more ways to hear than just through these holes in my head. Still I know that hope is fading fast. Love don't look like it's gonna last. My chest caved in and my lungs bled, but there are more ways to sing than just through this hole in my head. Still I know that hope is fading fast, and love doesn't look like it's gonna last. I'd like to welcome back Dan Britton.
have for you is a song in Kiswahili, so everybody will be able to understand it. It's called Tunaleo Furaha, and it talks about the importance of coming together in faith and love, and we hope you enjoy it.
Tunaleo furaha, tunaleo furaha, tunaleo furaha, tunaleo furaha, tunaleo
Awesome. So we got one more song for you guys, and this is a wonderful song because we will all sing it together. Yeah! All right. So, the song is very simple. It's called My God is a Rock. And it's very simple. The words are for the chorus. We will only sing the chorus all together. The chorus goes, my God is a rock. My God is a rock. My God is a rock. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he don't stop. Is that cool? Can I get like a communal whoop whoop? That was incredible. It's never worked that well before. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. All right, I'm gonna sing it once, the chorus through, and then you will come in full force, right? Right. All right. So it goes, and my God is a rock. My God is a rock, and my God is a rock. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he don't stop. Come on now. And my God is a rock. Oh! My God is a rock. My God is a rock. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he don't stop. Let's do that one more time together. Come on. My God. My God is a rock. My God is a rock. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he don't stop. Well, and he was there when the sun came up today. And he was there when the sun came up today. And he was there when the sun came up today. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he still stays. Oh, well, my God is a rock. My God is a rock. My God is a rock. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he don't stop. Yeah. He's more friend to me than I'm to myself. Yep. He's He's more friend to me than I'm to myself. He's more friend to me than I'm to myself. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he loves me still. My God, he's a rock. My God, rock. My God, he's a rock. Well, I make all of my mistakes, but he knows that. And he'll be there when the sun dries up the sea. And he'll be there when the sun dries up the sea. And he'll be there when the sun dries up the sea.